In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney Stealth Mode. Stealth Mode is a Midjourney feature that lets you generate images privately so your prompts and results don't appear in the public community feed or your public gallery. It's great for confidential projects, client work, or simply experimenting without broadcasting your ideas. Keep in mind, it's tied to a paid plan that supports private generation, and you'll see a notice to upgrade if your current plan doesn't include it. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Discord. From the results, click the official Discord website to open Discord in your browser. If you use the desktop app, you can open that instead. The process is the same either way. Sign in to your account if you aren't already. Once Discord is open, look at your server list on the left and select the Midjourney server. If you don't see it, you may need to join it first from the official Midjourney site. Inside the server, head to a channel where the Midjourney bot accepts commands, such as a beginner's or bot channel. In the message bar, type stealth. Discord/command menu should pop up and show the stealth command. Select it, then press enter to run it. The Midjourney bot will reply in the channel, letting you know whether stealth mode is now enabled. If you ever want to turn it off, run the same stealth command again to toggle it back. If the bot responds that you need to upgrade your plan to activate stealth mode, that means your subscription doesn't include this feature. Use the prompt provided in Discord to upgrade or update your plan in your Midjourney account. After upgrading, return to the channel and run stealth once more to confirm it's active. A few tips to keep things smooth. Stealth mode only affects new generations after you turn it on. It doesn't retroactively hide older images that were already public. Also, if you post your private results directly into a public channel, other people can still see what you post. For maximum privacy, generate in appropriate channels or in direct messages with the bot, and share outputs selectively. If you don't see the stealth command, make sure you're in a channel where you can send messages and the Midjourney bot is present. Reloading Discord or switching channels can refresh the /command list. And that's it. You opened Discord, navigated to the Midjourney server, ran the stealth command, and confirmed your plan if needed. With stealth mode enabled, you're ready to create privately and share on your own terms.